Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about various data types in Python. In Python we have different data types, integer or numbers. There are numbers, there are sequence data types, we have mapping sets and frozen sets, Boolean data types in Python. So we will discuss them one by one. So let me first declare a variable with integer. Integer means nothing but a number data type. So a equal to 7 is a number, right? 7 is a number, so we are storing value 7 inside variable a. So if we want to print the variable a, it will print 7. So we can check the data type as well in type of function. So like this, it will print the data type of a variable, or a data value stored inside a variable can be known using the function type of function. Similarly, we have another data type within number data types. B equal to 4.5. So 4.5 is a float number, right? Floating number. We can print that using print statement. We can use print type of function to know the data type, right? So it is of type float. Float means decimal numbers. These are the integer numbers. Numbers can also be of minus negative numbers as well. For example, t equal to -6, it is also a valid integer data type. You can print. So -6 is also integer, negative integer, whereas 7 is a positive integer. This is a floating number or floating data type. So these all are part of numeric data type. And apart from these two, we have a complex data type in Python. So I will store it inside variable e. Fine. I will store it inside variable e. So 4 plus 5j. So it is a complex number. So if we want to print the variable e, it will print 4 plus 5j. So if we want to know the data type, we can use again type of function. So it is showing us complex data type. It is nothing but generally in mathematics we must have used 3i plus 2 or 2 plus 3j, where I equal where I equal to -1, like this we might have used in mathematics at intermediate level also. So similar in computers, in Python language we have complex data type. We generally refer complex numbers using j, not I, with respect to Python. So apart from this, we have other data types as well. So these are the numeric data types in Python. This is the integer, this is the float, this is a float data type. Again, this is a complex data type. So these are all part of the numeric data types. Next, we have strings in Python. String. So I am taking a variable name str1. It is a variable name. Now I am assigning a data type of string into this variable. So fine, I have put my name inside this variable, and then I had pressed on enter. So if I print str1, it will print the wrong, right? So if we want to if we want to validate it, we can use the variable name. So it is showing it as str means str means string, so it is showing as class str. So generally in Python, data types are defined as a class. So we will know about what a class is in the further videos. So there is no concept of character or char in Python, whereas in C, C++, and Java we have the data type, a separate data type as char. This refers to character. In Python, everything is treated as string only. So what I will do is I will take a variable str2 and assign its character. Then I will print the type of type str2. It is case sensitive, right? It is showing as str only, so this is also a string in Python. So this is the string data type. Again we have list. Okay, I will take L1, variable name L1, and I will use square brackets for list. So this is a list. We can print it using print L1. So we can know the data type as well of that L1, L1 type of L1. So list is nothing but collection of elements under a single variable name. Collection of data values under a single variable name. So this is a list. This can be modified. This can be modified. So we will know more about variables, what type of variables can be modified and what type of variables cannot be modified. Generally, we term it as mutability or immutable. We will classify the variables into data types into mutable and immutable data types. So we will discuss that in detail in the further or next session. So this is a list data type. Again, we have set. We have sets in Python. I will take set one. We will use curly braces. Generally, we use these data types in data science or data manipulation, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. In those cases, we use set, list, arrays. We have arrays as well in Python. Generally, we use the array function for that. So ignore it as of now. So this is a set. We can know the data type of variable set one using type of set one. So this is a set. We generally use curly braces for set. We use square brackets for list. Again, we have dictionary. Taking the variable as d1, we use curly braces for dictionary as well. So generally in dictionary we have key and value. So this is the key. We use colon to mention the value 1, right? Again we will take a different pair. Second pair 2 colon 2 is a key and the value for that is TWO fine. Like this we can declare key pair values. Key pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, the left one is key and the right one is value. So this is the dictionary data type. We can know the data type using d1, right? So this is the data type of dictionary. Next we have tuples as well. So we use tuples, we declare tuples using parenthesis, right? So this is a parenthesis. Closed the I have closed the parenthesis. Next print print t1, enter. If we want to validate it, we can type of function t1. So it is showing it as tuple. So these are the commonly used data types. Apart from this, we have frozen set as well. I will show how the frozen set can be declared. This is some random variable name frozen set. I will put it as fs. We need to like this frozen set. So generally we declare set using curly braces. To keep that in a frozen state, we enclose it with parentheses. Now, if we want to validate it, we can use type of function. Right? This is a frozen set. This is a set. So if we want to make it a frozen set, we will type frozen set. Right? Now again, if I want to validate the data type of fs, it will show it as frozen set. So this is also data type similar to set only. So these are the commonly used data types. These are the numbers. 7 is a number, 4.5 is a floating number, this is a complex number. These are the numeric data types. Apart from that numeric, we have sequence data types. String, list, tuples are sequence data types, whereas mapping data type is also called as dictionary. So these are the few data types in Python. So thank you. Let's continue in the next video for about further fundamentals in of Python. Thank you.